Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we have an absolutely lovely, very rare, it's a Jaguar XF R Sport, but the black edition, with a lot of extras on it. So as with the black edition, it's got the full black pack without any chrome, gloss black alloy wheels, full R Sport body styling kit, finishing this beautiful Italian racing red colour. And when you've got all the black around the windows, upgraded alloy wheels, park distance control, rear spoiler, black here which is usually chrome, boot area is in lovely condition. It's got upgraded leather with the red stitched piping, electric windows, electric mirrors, full Meridian hi-fi system, electric memory seats, upgraded sport seats, as you can see they're much more firmer. Inside the car, again, Meridian sound booster. Got multifunction steering wheel, R Sport leather steering wheel. Done 79,082 miles. You can see that. All the air vents open and close. Full media pack, satellite navigation, climate control, so we do have DAB radio as well, my music, my video, heated seats. As you can see, it's pretty much fully loaded. Camera for reverse parking, USB and an AUX, all vehicles are pictured and videoed outside, but are kept in our indoor showroom for viewing. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.